In this second screencast, I will be demonstrating how to upload your newly created website into the student web server. And it's pretty simple. I've finished working on the Cafe Soylent Green in Chapter 1, and all I have to do is select the textbook calisthenics folder, and then this arrow here, it's the put arrow, it's the up arrow. I click on that and it automatically connects to the student web server and uploads everything in that folder, textbook calisthenics folder. The first time you do this, it may take a little bit longer than it does here, and then when it's done, you should be able to check through your web browser, going to your directory and look in the textbook calisthenics folder, then Chapter 1, and you should see your work. Hi, with this screencast video, I will be setting up the class site definition with the remote server. First thing I'm going to do is go to Site, New Site, and I'm going to go ahead and put this information in for the site name, CAS 111D, and the root folder. I'm going to go into my computer and select my folder that contains all the work for this course, called CAS 111D also. I select that, and then I go down to the server tab and click the plus button to add the new server, and I type in for the server names SWS. I'm going to connect using SFTP, and the server address is sws.pcc.edu. The username, I'm going to use one of the guest accounts. I have this right here. So the username is our CRN number, which is 13874_guest number 1, and the password I'm going to test this to see that this works, and indeed it does. So I can go on to the next part. The root directory is a little tricky. I'm going to go back here to the browser, and in the URL I'm going to choose the directory from student all the way back to that guest directory. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste that right in there, and you'll notice that it doesn't have sws.pcc.edu in it. It just starts with the student directory, and oops, made a little bit of a mistake there. I'm going to make sure I have a / at the very beginning of that, and then I click on the web URL and it transfers that information. I click Save, and I click Save again, and I click OK, and I am done. I have it set up.